Hey guys, it's St. Patty's Day, and look what we found at the bottom of the rainbow. It's a brand new JL. Looks like it's time to do some work on this thing. First things first, let's get a Dynatrac Pro Rock 60 in the front, Dana 80 in the rear, front bumper, rear bumper, winch. Let's get this thing ready to go. So the deal is, I want this Jeep built and out of the shop in 6 days. Right now it's Saturday morning, it's going on a trailer on Friday afternoon, headed for Moab. It's not just gonna look pretty out there, it's gonna go run all the trails. So everybody else is building a JL. Let's see what we can come up with. If you're heading out to Moab, make sure you look for this Jeep when you're out there. Should be rolling dirty on 40's. Since I am dressed like a leprechaun, I might as well get in this thing and get a little loose before we take it all apart. I mean, come on, it's brand new. Let's do it.
So this is the beginning of the new crossover and interlink bounce. This locates in the factory location of the crossover. This will skin up on the side of the inside of the frame rail, located on 2 of the stock bolt holes. This will be a pre-welded interlink mount on the plate, and then a link mount welded underneath. So this will be a separate entity that just bolts right in, and then this will extend over here with the crossover holding up the transmission. I like it.
Too damn long, well, that's enough to want to get out.
It's Sunday morning at WFO, and as you can see, the parking lot is full. Plasma cutter is cutting. This is how much steel we've used so far. There's Kevin. There it is. The axle is starting to go in the back. It's sitting underneath it. Dynatrac Pro Rock 80. Work our way up front. And we have a front end in it. We have a lower link. We have a lower link mount. And we have a cross member so far. Well, here it is. We said we'd do it and get it on the ground on Monday afternoon, and it's Monday afternoon at 5:30. And there it is on the ground. The first JL long arm, 4-link, sitting underneath there. Here we are at the rear, 4-link, 40's, Dana 80. They don't stick out too bad. We'll be getting that stock tire off pretty soon. Just finished up day 5 on the JL build. We got the rear spare tire delete done, and also something extremely important. That would be the swing out ARB ice chest mount. And obviously this is a good spot to find ice cold beer. Look for Jason in Moab, because I'm sure his ice chest will be loaded down with cold sodas.
Day 6 here at WFO on our JL build. We got powder coat suspension back today. Got our Fox shocks. We went ahead and installed the rear end with the new springs, the new links, the frame brackets, the new shocks. Pretty much everything's hanging, ready for tires and wheels tomorrow. We got the front starter to hang in there. Now the shocks, front suspension again, hooking up steering. Should be sitting by early morning tomorrow.
Tires just came back. Bumpers are going to powder coat tonight. Should have them back at 8 a.m. in the morning. And we'll get the bumpers on, we'll get the winch mounted, and finish this thing up tomorrow afternoon. See you then.
And the return governor springs right here. I don't know quite what they do.
How do you know that those are the return governor springs, Alan?
Well, that's the tail balls.
Is that like, is he at the White House, the return governor? No, governor. He's at the Capitol, state Capitol.
And we took the starships.
Those are wings. That's like the wings you get on Southwest.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's about it.
So basically you just take all that out, throw it away, put it back together?
And it's fixed.
Oh, that's sweet. Did Dodge design it like that?
I believe so.
Perfect. Well, might as well put it back together. All right, all right, all right. Just got it done at 6 o'clock Friday night. We told Jason we'd get it done, and here we are. There she is. Hey Kevin.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Got Jason's JL done. Headed to Moab right now.
Friday afternoon, just like we said.
Just driving.
1 ton's in, what was that, 7 days?
7 days, 1 ton.
Custom long kit. Everybody heading out in their Jeeps with them on the trailer, but we decided to tow our other rig for the full-size run. See you there.